Floyd Mayweather Jr., the 38-year-old with the baby face and the unblemished professional boxing record, beat Manny Pacquiao on Saturday night with a unanimous decision in what was considered the highest-grossing bout in history. In a long-anticipated fight between the two dominant welterweights of the past decade, Mayweather stretched his record to 48-0 while quieting critics who thought he had spent years avoiding a showdown with Pacquiao, a 36-year-old fighter from the Philippines. All three judges scored the fight in favor of Mayweather. One had the score at 118, 110, and the other two had it at 116, 112. The purse, a majority of it from pay-per-view revenue from several million American households paying about $90 each to watch, was estimated to be roughly $300 million. The contract called for Mayweather to receive 60%, win or lose. Mayweather arrived as a sizable favorite. He had more to lose than Pacquiao, although he pretended he did not. "It's just a fight to me," he said in April at his gym, a couple of miles west of the MGM Grand and the Las Vegas Strip. "One fight does not define my legacy. If that's the case, then I don't have to fight all the fights that I fought." Most boxing observers thought that Mayweather and Pacquiao, considered the best pound-for-pound fighters in the world, would never share a ring. Tangled and contentious discussions for a fight started in earnest in late 2009, moving in fits and starts, and they were mostly stuck in boxing's usual swamp of distrust. Mayweather is under contract with Showtime to fight once more, about tentatively scheduled for September against an undeclared opponent. He said last week that he planned to honor the contract and then retire, as his father and trainer, Floyd Mayweather Sr., has suggested. "I think he should retire," the elder Mayweather said Thursday. "Because if he sticks around, somebody is going to get you sooner or later."